Welcome to them show you how to change icon shape into a LENOVO Tab M7. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now from the list of our application, choose something what you wanna change. Maybe YouTube, well, not YouTube Music, click back. YouTube will be nice. So now from the our three icons, choose some new icons for your YouTube. Maybe this one will be okay. And now for saving this icon, you tap OK button in the top right corner and wait a second for generating. Then needs close ads, maybe a few times because it's free application. And now tap add automatically. Got success message, go to our home screen. And here we got our new YouTube icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.